Hello everyone and welcome back to Physiotrendz. This is me Physiotherapist, and today's video we are going to discuss about positional release technique for upper trapezitis. Upper trapezitis is a condition that we come across more often, and to treat that we apply different techniques, but sometimes we are not achieving success. But this positional release technique is evidence based and non-invasive technique which is very effective for treating upper trapezitis. So for applying this technique, first of all, patient has to be in supine lying position. Then you have to find out the tender point where exactly patient is having pain, trapezitis. So let's say for example here in the patient, right side patient is having more trapezitis. So first thing first, you have to find out the tender points where exactly the tenderness is more. Then those points you have to palpate as well as use your thumb and index finger to compress that part. After that, the next thing what we have to do is we have to make sure that you are bringing the neck towards that side, so that basically we are relaxing that muscle, we are not causing pain for the patient. Next, what we have to do is first I'm just going to change my hand from dominant side to non-dominant side. I will be holding the tender point, okay. Then with dominant hand, I am going to hold the forearm of the patient, bringing it in 90-degree abduction. I may have to adjust it in slightly extension or slightly flexion depending on where pain is less or very comfortable. Patient has to be very comfortable, remember, for applying this technique. There should be no pain at all. So what we can do here is, like beginning of the treatment only, we have to ask patient that how much pain they have. We can explain VAS scale. After that, once patient is in position, we ask patient whether pain is reduced. If the pain is reduced more than 4 or 5 points in compared to the starting stage, that is the exact situation we want to be in. After that, we ask patient to apply isometric contraction in abduction, and you have to hold it for at least 90 seconds. And this we can repeat for 3 to 5 times, and then we can see the effect on the patient for trapezitis pain, whether it is reduced or not. And I'm sure that if you are doing it, if you are following it properly, you will definitely get 100% result in upper trapezitis pain with this technique. If you want to learn more about the physiotherapy techniques for different conditions, do follow and subscribe Physiotrendz channel, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and physios and ask them to comment on the videos so that we can reach out to more and more physios.